And we're back in Disney. Woo!
Well, we're now at Animal Kingdom Lodge, staying at room 5284, just that one there. Animal Kingdom Lodge is the largest place outside of Africa itself to have authentic African art, so things like this. Might seem creepy, but it's fine. And each shield on every door is unique. Obviously they aren't original, however, they are all unique. So, as I said last night, we are staying in a 3-bedroom grand villa today. So, this is the room tour of a 3-bedroom grand villa at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House. Got a mirror there with a little table to throw your keys on, wallet, etc. Whatever you please. Some weird plates or hats, I don't know. Over here you got like the communal bathroom, we'll say. Got a sink, some of your not H2O products, you know. Toilet and just a walk-in shower. Just across the way here we got the washer dryer ironing board situation. And now on to the living area. We've got a living room here which will sort of comfortably fit everyone who you could think would want to stay here. So like obviously got the TV there which has surround sound speakers up in the corners there and over there. And over there you got then your dining space, which if you have full capacity, you know, which we are pretty close to tonight, you could move the chairs here and there just to make everyone comfortable around the TV if you so wish. Moving into the dining area, got a nice big dining table which could comfortably fit everyone in, with a nice bench for that added capacity. You've got 2 more speakers up in the wall, like I said, surround sound system, and a nice little chandelier above the dining table. Got the kitchen, which you know, this dishwasher, very similar to what we had last night. Got the oven and a big microwave, which I think is similar to what we had yesterday. In the cupboards we got glasses, etc., all the cookware and things like that. Everything which you need, like these are DVC rooms. I think this is either a pan storage or somewhere to keep your plates warm. I could be wrong, but like I say, these are designed for people who would be staying here a lot longer typically than what we are. So you know, you might be cooking, things, hence the big fridge and the drawer style freezer. Got a pantry, nice size pantry with plenty of storage and shelves. Got your bins, recycling and whatnot. Going into the first of the guest bedrooms, got same as it was last night. We have the two double beds with the TV, chest of drawers and a wardrobe in this one. Over here got a desk with another mirror, it's me, and one of our 3 balconies overlooking, I can't remember, I think this is a Sunset Savannah, I might be wrong. overlooking the savannah, basically that looks across to Kidani village over there. Earlier on there was some animals out here, like a giraffe. There's some deer down there. I don't know what they are. Things with horns, not gazelles, I don't think. It's warm today. So we're back in. Like I said, you just got the beds here, cupboards, and you got the first of the guest bathrooms. Just very basic. Got a mirror, a sink with once again your lotions, etc. Toilet, and just your normal bath shower situation, which you can have in like the all-star rooms and things like that. And then down this way, we got a light switch. It would be handy with the worst light in the world. We got another door, which goes, you guessed it, back out into the corridor we started, all the way down there. Got a fire exit there, and once again a unique shield. There goes Courtney and the baby. So we are now heading into guest room 2, which has similar layout again, with the two beds, a desk, the TV with chest of drawers, a luggage stand I think, and that there is a built-in wardrobe rather than the standalone. And then same again, the same balcony we were just on, hence the door being open there. Let's keep the air in, keep it cool, he says, while managing to not lock a child lock. So yeah, that's the guest areas, we'll say. So we got then, like I said earlier, the just a small little wardrobe, which has another luggage stand. And now we're going back across the room to the master area, we'll say, like the king suite. Before we get there, if you do need extra capacity than the 4, 8, 10, yeah 10, like this room online states it'll fit 12, but it is a pull-out bed in the living room, but it will sleep 13, because this is also a pull-out bed. It'll be a snug 13, but it will sleep 13, plus infants, because they don't really count. So yeah, you are seeing correct, that is our own pool table inside of our room, with all your pool amenities. Nice little pool light, and now we're into the king suite. We got a big bathroom for this, nice size walk-in wardrobe, which is genuinely bigger than one of the rooms in my house. That is sad on my part. Down here we got a TV inside of the bathroom, albeit wonky, but a TV, another mirror. Yeah, we got a TV in your cot. A big shower, which unfortunately isn't rainfall this time. How sad. It was lovely this morning, with all your H2O not H2O, sea salt products, and a sink with the bathroom toilet, you know. Just wondering what was behind the door, nothing. Got a nice size jacuzzi tub. I say jacuzzi, I think this is Whirlpool. Yes, push the water around. And a nice mural of Simba just above, and another sink/vanity area. Into the actual bedroom now itself. Got another king size bed in this room. As you can see, there's plenty of space in this room, given the fact it's a albeit small pram, but you know, we aren't going to notice anything at all. So we got all these lovely furnitures, another desk, which has, people say this is a hidden Mickey, I just call it a Mickey because it's not very hidden. And then onto the third balcony with some zebras down there. This balcony can be accessed from the pool room, which is probably great. However, I didn't open the door, stupidly, so I can't get back through. And then I said the third balcony because I forgot to show you the second, which is just off the living space. Which is there. So yeah, there's plenty of opportunity to get yourself outside in the sunshine. Or, oh, a giraffe. So yeah, there's plenty of opportunity to get yourself out in the sunshine. I say sunshine, coverage, but enjoying your savannah view. So yeah, that is a quick, I say quick, about 10-minute room tour of a 3-bedroom grand villa at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It is, rack rate for this room is extortionate. Thankfully, we are lucky enough to have a DVC contract allowing us to do all these nice things. Everyone else staying will be arriving shortly. They're still currently over at the outlet, I believe. I just had a missed call from Sean, so. But yeah, these are them doors again. 1 second. Oh, they're not, how sad. They're not as cool. Disappointing. But yeah, that's the 3-bedroom grand villa at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House. And there are giraffes outside.
I know, it's just my mother favorites. It's the giraffes, isn't it?
Isabella,
Isabella, come on.
what's going on, you?
You've seen giraffes, you've seen zebras.
Say.
We don't know what else we've seen. There's animals out of their homes.
But yeah, as Courtney said earlier on, she was useless and managed to lose her mic.
I know, I'm devastated. I've got the magnet.
Yeah, that's not good. That's not the expensive bit.
I got the magnet.
But you know, it kind of is what it is.
No, it's devastating.
It's devastating, but it is what it is. Nothing we can really do about it now. So yeah, we will catch up with you shortly. We think we're probably going to end up down at the splash pad, just waiting on the luggage to arrive at the resort.
The room?
At the room, sorry.
We're at the
So, yeah.
resort. We're waiting for the luggage.
We will let you know what we're up to next.
Yes, we'll probably video now when we go for food.
Yeah, not that they can really hear you, Court. You lost your mic.